if m is greater than n, am divided by an is equal to am minus n. A to the 17th over a to the 12 is a to the 17 minus 12, a to the 5th. X to the 8 over x to the 1st is x to the 8 minus 1, x to the 7th. Y to the 23rd divided by y to the 14 is equal to y to the 23rd minus 14, which is y to the 9. For number 4, we're going to separate the different fractions. We're going to separate 36 over 18, then a to the 18 over a to the 17, and b to the 5th over b to the 2nd. Now we'll just divide. 36 divided by 18 is 2. A to the 18th minus 17 is a to the 1st. And b to the 5 minus 2 is b to the 3rd. The answer is 2ab cubed. We'll separate negative 24 over 6 times x to the 10th over x to the 7. And y to the 13 over y to the 2nd. Negative 24 divided by 6, negative 4. 10 minus 7 is 3, x to the 3rd. 13 minus 2, 11, y to the 11. Separate 40 over 12, x to the 4th over x to the 2nd, y to the 9 over y to the 5th, and then z to the 6 over 1. We're going to divide 40 by 4 and 12 by 4. 4 is the greatest common factor. 10 over 3. X to the 4 minus 2, which is 2. Y to the 9 minus 5, which is 4. And z6 will stay the way it is. So the answer is 10 third x squared y fourth z6. Multiply and simplify. X to the 4th times x to the 2nd. X to the 4 plus 2, x to the 6. Y to the 3rd times y to the 6th times y to the 8th. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 8, 17. Y to the 17. 5 times negative 6, negative 30. 8 to the 4th times 8 to the 11. 4 plus 11, 15. Negative 30, 8 to the 15. Negative 9 times negative 3, positive 27. X to the 15 stays the way it is. It's multiplied by 1. Y to the 6 times y to the 8th. 6 plus 8, 14. Y to the 14. 2 times 2 times negative 3, negative 12. 8 to the 3rd times 8 to the 4th, 8 to the 7. B to the 2nd times B to the 1st times B to the 6. B to the 9. Now, we need to understand that a cubed is a times a times a 3 times. So 3x6 cubed is 3x6 times itself 3 times. When we rearrange the factors, 3 times 3 times 3 will be 27. And x to the 6 times x to the 6 times x to the 6. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 6, 18. X to the 18th. Now, the power over power, a formula that you'll learn later on, you distribute the power to 3 cubed, and then you distribute the third power to x to the 6 cubed. Now 3 cubed is 27, x to the 6 cubed, 3 times 6, 18. Another way to solve the problem. Division. We're going to assume that all variables are non-zero real numbers. X to the 16 divided by x to the 12, we subtract. X to the 16 minus 12, which is 4. A to the 9 divided by a to the 8th. 9 minus 8 is 1. A to the first, which is a. 42 divided by 7, 6. N to the 8th over n to the second. 8 minus 2, 6. M to the 6th. And 13 minus 5, 8. N to the 8th. Negative 16 divided by 8, negative 2. X to the 5th stays the way it is. And y to the 9th divided by y to the 7th, y to the 2nd. Negative 15 divided by negative 9. A negative over a negative is positive. The GCF is 3. We divide up and down by 3. We obtain 5 over 3. A to the 10th divided by a to the 7th. A to the 3rd. B to the 17th stays the way it is. And C to the 12th divided by C to the 6th. C to the 6th. The answer is 5/3 a cubed, B 17, C 6. 9 to the 50 divided by 9 to the 48 is equal to 9 to the 50 minus 48, which is 9 to the 2nd. 9 to the 2nd is 9 times 9, 81.